DJI are without doubt the best in the business. They allow you, the end user, to capture some magnificent footage regardless of your skill level thanks to its user-friendly technology. Now, one part of that technology I know many of you like to use is its ability to create 360-degree panoramic shots. However, if you have just created the best panoramic shot the world has ever seen, the chances are you're going to want to share it with your audience, such as friends, family, or generally the wider world. Now, this is where it can be a little bit tricky, because sharing these 360-degree panoramic shots can be a little bit difficult when it comes to posting them on Facebook. But not to worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you do it in a full tutorial from the very beginning, from taking your drone to create the panoramic shot to begin with, right up until getting that shot onto Facebook to share with your friends and family. So let's get into it. So first of all, of course, we need to create the panoramic shot to begin with. So I have my DJI Mini 4 Pro in the air, and we're going to switch to panoramic mode. And then, as you can see, we have a few options to choose from. We have got sphere, 180 degree, wide and vertical. But for this one, we're really going to be using a sphere, because that's what's going to give us the full 360 degree view of our surroundings. Now, once you've picked your location, all we simply need to do is click start and let the drone do its thing. This is then going to take photos of the surrounding area to create this brilliant 360 degree panoramic shot. Now, this process could take a good 30 seconds or so, so please do be patient. Once that has completed, this is where the magic happens, because instead of you, the end user, having to use some sort of third-party technology, DJI have got you covered, because the DJI Fly app has the ability to actually stitch all of these photos together to essentially bring you the end result without you having to do absolutely anything. So let's take a look. So first, we're going to pop into the album by clicking this button right here. Then we can view our 360 degree shots. This is to ensure that we are happy with it before we go take it any further. Now, built into the DJI Fly app, we do have a few ways of viewing our shot we have just taken. We first of all have scroll, planet, inverted and globe. But the one I'm interested in is this scroll, where you can essentially preview your 360 degree shot to make sure that it's something you're going to be happy with. Now, earlier on I spoke about how user-friendly DJI drones are, and this is a perfect example of that. You see, DJI have thought ahead that you might want to do this, so if you are using a mobile phone or a tablet with the mobile version of the DJI Fly app, they have given us the ability to share directly to Facebook and other social media platforms from within the DJI Fly app itself. All we need to do is hit that X button to go back to the previous screen. Tap the icon in the top right corner, and we're going to select Facebook in the bottom left. And then what it's going to do is give you the option as to whether you want to create a post, story, or share it to a group of your choosing. This is ideal if you want to share it on a community page, for example. Now, for this, of course, you will need the Facebook application downloaded to your device, and you will also need to sign in accordingly. Once done, you will see this screen right here with your 360 pano ready to post. If I just scroll down a little bit, you can see this icon right here means that Facebook has recognized it as a 360 pano, and then all we need to do is hit that post option, and there it is. Your 360 pano has been published directly to your Facebook feed. Now, if you do have the DJI RC or RC2 screen controller, there is a few more steps that you're going to need to take to get this to work. So what we're going to need to do is download it to our mobile device. What you can quite simply do is use the DJI quick transfer feature to download it directly to your mobile device without even needing to turn on your controller or plug in anything to your mobile device. If you want a tutorial on how to do this, I have made a full step-by-step video, and I will leave a link to that one in the video description below, and of course as a card which will appear at the end of the video next to my head, so you can go and check that out. Now we've downloaded that pano to our device, it's time to share it to social media. Now at this point, if you open up the Facebook app and try to share it as a photo by selecting it from your gallery, this will not work. Even if you click that Make 3D button, it is just going to end up as a flat image. You need to take the steps I'm about to tell you. Now, if you do have an iOS device, whether it be iPad or iPhone, you need to pay close attention, because if you try and open up your 360 360 panner in the default Photos app, it will still not work for the same reason I mentioned earlier. For some reason, that Photos app does not store the metadata to be able to upload it to Facebook, and Facebook recognize it as a 360 panner shot. So what we need to do in this case is use Google Photos. Now, of course, if you have an Android device, you will have Google Photos generally on your device already. iOS users would just need to go grab it from the App Store. Once you open that up, it's going to sync with all of your gallery, so all of your photos and videos will be there automatically, which is obviously stored on your device. It's at this point we use the Google Photos app, and as you can see, when we open up our panoramic shot, it does actually recognize it as a 360 panner, allowing us to actually press it and scroll around exactly like we could on the DJI Fly app. So then we use the Google Photos app to share that to Facebook in the knowledge that it does transfer all the data required for Facebook to recognize this correctly. But then, as you can see, that is now uploaded. All you then need to do is go click post, and now that's posted, you can see that is our full 360 fully working on Facebook, where you can scroll around and of course share it with your friends and family. So there we go, that is exactly how you post your 360 panners to Facebook using the Google Photos app, nice and easily. Now you know exactly how to do it. I challenge you to go out, find an absolutely fantastic flying location and go upload one of these 360-degree panoramic shots, and even share it on your local community page, exactly what I did for my local town. People absolutely love these sort of things. Of course, due to privacy, if you are flying it in a built-up area, make sure you're a good 60-70 meters high to be able to ensure you're not capturing anybody's face in the shot. But ultimately, you know, most people generally love these sort of shots, so I challenge you to go take one and post your own. So if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch this video. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, see you again soon.